In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an approval workflow in Power Automate in 5 minutes. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off by showing you the problem. So this is our employee here. He's been working at the company for about 2 years. So let me show you how we can do this in Power Automate. And every time he needs something approved, he has to send an email to his manager. You can also just search for an approval, and then you can select this one over here, which is Request Approval. So this is who the approval is assigned to. Now this can be set to a dynamic group as well if you want it to be a group of people. But in this case, it's just going to be one person. And this is where we're actually going to put in the approver's ID. Now you can find this by going to the People section over here and then selecting the manager. Let's go ahead and open it up. And there we go. We can see the approval request. Let's go ahead and click on Approve. And there we go. Instant approval. Let's go ahead and click on Finish. And then we're going to select their ID and we're going to put that in here. Now you could also just put in their email address as well if you wanted to. But I'm going to select their ID. So I'm just going to type in the manager's name. There we go. And then now we're ready to go. So let's test this out. Let's go ahead and click on Save, and then click on Run. And there we go. It says that the approval was sent to the manager. Let's go ahead and click on Close. But I'm just gone nah. Start off with a blank flow, and then we re-gone nah, add an action. We re-gone nah, go over here to Approvals, and then we re-gone nah, select Get Approval. And then we're going to click into that. And then the first thing that we're going to do is set the type field. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button below, and then also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Now this can either be a decision or a task. In this case, it's going to be a decision. And then we're going to move down to the approver type. Now this can either be an individual or a group. In this case, it's going to be an individual. Now this will pop up with a bunch of different options. His manager gets all these emails and it takes a long time to go through and find the one that he needs to approve and then approve it. And then sometimes he even forgets to approve it, and then the whole thing just falls apart. Now what we can do is we can create an approval workflow so that our employee here can just press a button and instantly get his approval. So over here in Power Automate, we're going to start off with a blank flow. The first thing that we need to do is set the To field. So who is this approval going to? So in this case, it's going to be the manager. And then you can also add in the approver's email address as well if you want to. And then we're going to move down to the title and description. So this is just going to be the title and description of the approval. So I'm just going to put in something really quick. There we go. And then the next thing that we are going to do is set the Assigned to field. And then we're going to move down to the Details section here. And then we're going to move down to the Approver ID. And then we're going to go ahead and save this. Now let's check our email. There we go. So we got the approval email over here. Now let's go back to our employee. Here he can just click on that button and instantly get his approval. That was a very quick tutorial on how to create an approval workflow in Power Automate.